there, food lovers. Welcome back to Whisk Away. Today, I am solving one of the biggest kitchen frustrations, peeling garlic. No more sticky fingers, no more endless frustrations, and best of all, no more tasteless garlic. Come with me, let me show you how. First, we're going to start by taking your head of garlic and peeling away that really soft layer. I'm not throwing these away. I'm going to show you a use for them in another video. You're going to love it. Once you have that done, you're going to go ahead and take each clove and snip the end of the garlic. You can also do each end. This helps the skin come off a little bit easier. And then you want to go ahead and get some really warm water, not too hot that you can't touch it. Put your garlic in, and then you're just going to kind of rub each piece of garlic really well. Leave that sit for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, you're going to clean up, and once those have been sitting for at least 5 minutes, you're going to come back and they should be ready to go. Soaking that garlic in the water for that little amount of time really gets those skins super soft and they just fall right off. You can see how you just take them out and peel them away. Super easy. This is really helpful if you're doing a bunch of garlic at one time. I like to do a bunch and keep it in my fridge for recipes when I'm ready. I also like to make a honey ginger flu balm, so this is a great way just to get a bunch done at one time. And you can see how easy this is, where the skin just rubs right off of the garlic cloves, which is really great. You don't have anything sticking to your fingers. And then I'm also going to just take the skin and set that aside. We're going to be doing something else with it, and I'll show you that in another video. And there we have it. We are finished. And like that, we're done. We have our easily peeled garlic. Took me maybe about 10 minutes. We're saving our skins for another recipe. I'll show you in another video. And yeah, let me know if you try this out. Let me know what your favorite way is to peel your garlic. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Your likes and shares and subscriptions really help and help me grow my channel. I'm almost at 1,000, you guys, and I'm super excited. And thank you for watching. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.